Everything refined was once something raw and almost unbearable to look at. And this is raw camel skin, one of the densest hides on Earth, still carrying fat, salt, and nutrients. The bone gets bleached white and the skin gets stripped to its core. What survives that intense process is arguably Over the next 8 minutes, you will watch every stage of that brutal transformation, step by step. For centuries, nomadic tribes in the Sahara relied on camel hide for survival against brutal and unforgiving sandstorms.
That today, this ancient material is reborn as the world's most indestructible matte black leather paired with pristine white bone accents to highlight its modern luxury application.
It is a testament to human endurance, transforming the harshest desert survivor into a luxury of unyielding strength.
But how do you take a hide built to survive the desert and make it completely flawless?
Welcome to the facility. This is the exact same material, just 300 hours and a lot of chemistry apart.
The journey begins deep in the Sahara, where hides are harvested from naturally deceased camels to preserve the ecosystem. These raw, salt-crusted hides and heavy bones face a grueling 48-hour journey across the shifting dunes to reach the coastal port. From there, they are shipped in climate-controlled containers across the ocean, arriving at the specialized tannery right here in the USA. Before any chemistry begins, the physical impurities must be violently removed. Step 1 is dry scraping, where heavy mechanical blades strip away the outer layer of dried salt fat and desert debris. Every ounce of organic matter that could rot the leather is shaved away, leaving only the dense collagen structure. After the heavy mechanical scraping, a manual inspection is required to ensure absolute perfection. We are now entering the wet chemical processing phase, the second major step. The precise mixture in these massive vats is crucial for preparing the hides. The hides are now submerged in large wooden vats, filled with a specialized alkaline solution. This chemical bath swells the collagen and loosens the hair and epidermis. The hides soak for 48 hours to allow the alkaline to penetrate deep into the dense camel fibers. Once the fibers are perfectly swollen, the chemical bath is drained to reveal the true canvas. Now we begin the third major step, feeding the swollen hide into the mechanical unhairing machine. Rotating blunt blades push away the loosened hair and epidermis without cutting the actual leather. The fleshing process begins with sharp blades, shaving the underside completely clean to leave only pure dermis.
A rigorous water wash neutralizes the alkaline and stopping the chemical reaction and preparing the hide for the bone separation.
Step 4 is bone separation, where the heavy marrow-filled camel bones are manually separated from the hide using heavy steel cleavers. The camel skeleton is incredibly dense, a testament to its survival in the harshest desert conditions on Earth. This material requires raw physical power to separate.
Every trace of organic marrow must be extracted to prevent the bone from rotting during the bleaching process.
The raw bones are submerged in a perfectly balanced peroxide bath to strip away all organic discoloration. The bones are submerged in a highly concentrated hydrogen peroxide bath to strip away all organic discoloration. The oxidation strips away the natural biological discoloration, yet the dense structure remains completely solid, proving its incredible durability. The result is a brilliant, pristine white, and the bone is now sterile stable and ready for luxury finishing. The bones must be perfectly dried and stabilized before they can be CNC carved into elegant clasps. Step 5, which is vegetable tanning, using natural chestnut extract for maximum density. Unlike harsh chrome tanning, vegetable tanning penetrates, slowly binding with the collagen to create an incredibly dense and durable structure. The dye is engineered to penetrate every single fiber, ensuring the matte black color never fades, cracks, or rubs off.
Instead of hanging to dry, the leather is tumble-dried at low heat to mechanically break the stiffness.
As it tumbles, the fibers relax, and the leather transforms from a stiff board into a soft, supple, yet indestructible material. Step 7, which is final staking, where the leather is passed through blunt blades to stretch and soften the fibers. Finally, the surface is lightly buffed to remove any residual shine, locking in the deep, luxurious matte black finish. Every square inch is inspected by hand, and only the absolute flawless panels survive to the assembly stage. The flawless panels are laser cut with microscopic precision, ensuring zero waste and perfect symmetry. Now the two elements meet, as the stark, bleached white bone is paired with the deep, matte black leather. The bone is carved into smooth, elegant clasps, providing a striking visual anchor against the dark leather.
The heavy-duty wax thread stitches these materials together with tension calibrated perfectly to handle the extreme density of the camel hide.
The edges are hand-painted with a matte black sealant to ensure the raw fibers are completely protected from moisture and daily wear. A final wipe down removes any dust, and the transformation from a brutal, unwashed desert hide to a masterpiece of modern luxury is complete.
The bone clasps are tested for thousands of cycles to ensure they deliver a heavy and satisfying click every single time.
The product is heavy and dense, serving as a physical reminder that true luxury is not about being light, but about being unyielding.
The product is housed in a custom matte black box lined with dark fabric to protect the pristine finish during transit. The acid-free tissue paper protects the matte black surface, ensuring absolutely no scratches or chemical reactions occur before it reaches the customer.
The box is sealed with a custom wax stamp, turning the package into a secure vault that protects the indestructible leather inside. From the Texas facility, and the final product is dispatched to high-end artisans and luxury collectors around the world. The product arrives not just as a material, but as a foundation for bespoke, custom creations by master craftsmen. The stunning contrast immediately commands the room. The flawless stitching proves the brutal manufacturing process was worth the effort. The artisan feels the density, the softness, and the unyielding strength, confirming it is exactly as promised. It becomes the centerpiece of a bespoke collection, carrying the legacy of the Sahara into the modern world. From the brutal, unforgiving desert to the pinnacle of modern luxury, it is a journey of survival, chemistry, and craft. Every stitch, every scrape, and every chemical bath was necessary to achieve this perfect, unyielding contrast.
If you drag a key across it, leaves no mark because the matte black finish absorbs the impact, remaining completely flawless.
If you strike the bleached bone, it does not chip, but stands solid, as a testament to the dense, marrow-rich structure of the camel. It is not just an accessory, but armor and history, and the strongest leather on Earth. Born in the harshest environment on Earth, it has now conquered the most luxurious rooms in the world. Everything refined was once something raw.
Welcome to Purely Industrial TV. The coolest place to see how your favorite things are made. We use high-tech tool to take you inside factory to see amazing machines in action. We do not just copy video from internet. Instead, we use a special human AI team to create everything you see. First, we do our homework to research how items like soap and food are made so the fact always right. Then we use amazing AI program to help us draw and build the factory scenes. Finally, a real person spent a lot of time editing the video and adding sound to make sure they are fun and exciting to watch. Every video is a one of the kind masterpiece made just for this channel. These videos are made entirely by us and not the other creators. While we use smart computer to help make the picture a real human, always the boss of the project. Everything here is meant to teach you cool fact about the world of manufacturing in a way that very easy to understand. Thank you guys.